So I'm going to say goodbye and have a great summer to all of you. We miss you, so it would be goodbye and good summer to Aaliyah and Abe, Adam, Addie, Adley, Alex, Aaliyah, Ali. I'm going to stop. That's so the summer is over, and we'd like to say goodbye and have a great summer to Aaliyah and Abe, Adam, Addie, Adley, Alex, Alexis, Ali, Alina, Amelia, Emily, Andre, Angel, and Angeli, Ariana, Ashley, Ava, Ayuni, Brianna, Kara, Carmelita. Let's stop. Hey, the school year's over and you made it. So I'd like to say goodbye and have a great summer. Hope to see you this fall. That's Aaliyah, Abe, Adam, Addie, Adley, Alex, Alexia, Ali, Alviso, Alina, Amelia, Emily, Andre, Angel, Angeli, Ariana, Ashley, Ava, Ayuni, Brianna, Kara, Carmelita, Carter, Charlie, Cleaver, Clady, Dariana, Dante, David, Derek, Destiny, Donovan, Dylan, Eamon, Amy, Elena, Eliani, Eli, Eliana, Elizabeth, Emily, Emma, Ethan, Evander, Ezekiel, Gabby, Gabriel, Garrett, Gavin, Grace, Grant, Gus, Hadley, Hannah, Hosanna, Isaac, Isabella, Isaiah, Ivan, Jackson, Jacob, Jaleese, Jelena, Japheth, Jackson, J. Cole, Jaden, Jaleese, Janae, Jerion, Jeremiah, Jerlina, Jezebel, Johan, Jonathan, Joseph, Joshua, Josiah, Juan, Callan, Karina, Kayleen, Landon, Lawrence, Livia, Logan, Lucas, Lila, Macy, Madeline, Maddox, Malcolm, Malia, Mark, Matthew, Maxim, Mackenzie, Melanie, Mila, Mackenzie, Natalie, Nathan, Nehemiah, Niera, Nicole, Nikita, Nilsson, Noah, Nora, Orion, Phoebe, Raymond, Robert, Sam, Sarah, Sebastian, Seth, Shayceed, Shelley, Shiloh, Sonia, Stuart, Tara, Tyler, Tyson, Veronica, Wyatt, Yalarin, Yesamar, Yokira, Zabdiel, Xander, Zara, and Zoe. See ya.